let's open the box. Okay, so this is how it comes in the Amazon box. Comes with all of these little puffy air things. The kids are gonna have fun popping that tomorrow, and then I'm gonna have a mess to clean up, but that's okay. And then it comes in this little plastic outer bag so that it doesn't get damaged. This is the MATEIN lunchbox bag for women. So this does have a lunchbox actually built into this bag. So I am super excited about that because I actually needed a lunchbox for the plane ride back for all of my breast milk that we have. So this bag is definitely going to be super, super useful. But this is what it looks like. I can already tell you guys, I'm like obsessed with like the simplicity of this bag, the brown detailing on it with the name and the little zippers. This looks so nice. You can dress this up. If you use it as a diaper bag, you can dress this up with like your passy pods or just like random little like keychains that you put on it. I am like, this bag already is super nice. Material is so nice. The backpack straps seem really comfortable. They're thick. They definitely seem like you could like definitely pack this thing up and it would not bother your shoulders. But it does come with the little handles right here. Obviously the backpack straps, and then it does have this little strap to go around your suitcase handle whenever you're going through the airport. So now that the handles, I showed you guys the handles. Jesus, I cannot talk today. Let's go ahead and look in the first compartment. Now this compartment is the lunchbox area. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. When you're not using the lunchbox area, it does fold back up so it doesn't take up as much room inside the actual bag right here. When you are using the lunchbox compartment, you can just push it in. You can push it in, and then obviously it goes back like to the back part of the diaper bag. And then it has this little mesh netting right here on the front part. So I am super excited about using this on the airplane. That's definitely one less bag that we have to drag around. So this part is definitely going to be super useful for us even after the airplane ride, because obviously when you take the kids to the park, their snacks, their food, stuff like that, or long, like if we go shopping, just, you know, like things like that, road trips, this is definitely going to be super, super useful. So that is the backpack pouch, or the lunchbox pouch. Jesus, I told you guys I needed to go to bed. On the side, it does come with two cup holder things. This side has a little like grab side compartment, so you can put tissues on this side, or in our case, if you have hand sanitizer like wipes, then, you know, easy access for that right there. The pockets are not insulated, but I mean, obviously, you know, you have this compartment right here. And then for the back of the bag, there is a little zipper compartment down here that you could put your wallet, your phone in. It's not very big, but it will hold your wallet and your phone. Do I have my phone in here? I'll show you guys. I don't know what I did with it. There it is. This does, for reference, my phone is the iPhone 12 mini, and it fits in there like super nice. This is the top part of my phone, so you definitely have a lot more room in there for your wallet, things like that. If you want to put your passports back there, your plane trip tickets, things like that, this pocket is definitely going to come in handy because it's not something someone can really easily like grab into when you're not paying attention. And then on the backpack strap, it does have a little zipper right here that you could put like headphones in. That's the only thing that I could think that would fit in here. But it does have a little headphone compartment, which is definitely going to be nice. And then over here, you actually have like a little USB charging port for this bag. So if you have like the portable chargers, and you can connect it to this. And there is a little thingy in here so that you can connect your like charger devices with, things like that. And then the front part, there is a little smaller pocket right here. It is fixed with a little like magnetic button. It doesn't go that deep, but I mean, you could put like extra like binkies, like pens, pencils, things like that in here so that you can get to your stuff easily. I wonder if my phone would fit in here. So yeah, my phone does fit in here. If you have the iPhone like 12 Pro, then it probably wouldn't. But you could put your phone in there if you wanted to. Like I said, pens, pencils, things like that. And then getting into the first little pocket, the zipper pocket, there is one right here that opens up like this. This is a bigger pocket to pin pockets, and then another one along with another zipper compartment inside the bag. This is definitely going to be nice to put extra binkies in, like pacifier wipes, just like random things that you need, like hand and face wipes, sanitizer, whatever you think can fit in that compartment. Definitely, you know, like obviously put it in there. And then the big compartment. So this is what it looks like without the lunchbox compartment like pushed out. When you push it out, hang on, let me push it out for you guys and I'll show you guys what it looks like. When you push it out, it obviously takes up a little bit of the bottom of the bag, but that's not really that big of a deal for me, at least. And then obviously, you know, when you're not using the lunchbox compartment, you can just push it back in and then you have a full-size backpack again. There is no like internal pockets besides this one back here. It can fit a laptop. I would show you guys, but my laptop is in Bubby's room. And if you want to use it as a diaper bag, then, you know, obviously you can put a changing pad right here so that you can grab it. You can put diapers and wipes in that little area. Whatever you can think of. But this is the bag. I am so excited to get this thing packed, to use it, and especially see how the lunchbox works for us with my breast milk. I am honestly like super excited to use this on the plane. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I love the simplicity of this bag. It doesn't have any like crazy designs on it. It's not any like weird colors. This is definitely something that you can dress up or dress down with. This bag is just so nice. And also the inside of this bag, if you decide to use it as a diaper bag, is something that you can just wipe clean with a wipe or a paper towel. I know a lot of diaper bags have the cloth or like the inserts that you can't really like wipe clean with a wipe. So this is definitely going to be nice in case you spill something inside of it, or, you know, like your baby food or your formula spills. It's definitely going to be like an easy cleanup bag. So this bag is definitely, it looks nice. There is a bunch of compartments with this bag. The lunchbox compartment is definitely going to be amazing and definitely a lifesaver. But like I said, this is what the bag looks like. We'll do an up close for you guys. That's what it looks like. And like I said in the beginning of this video, or I think I did, I will have a packing video up soon. You guys will also see us using this when we fly home, and then I obviously will give you guys my like thoughts after we use it for like 24 hours straight. This plane trip, this whole trip is going to be long. So this bag is definitely going to be a lifesaver. It seems comfortable. And let me show you guys what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like. I can obviously show you guys a better view of it once I pack it. What it looks like packed. I swear, you guys, I need to go to bed. The backpack straps are obviously adjustable, so if you want it higher, if you want it lower, you can fix it how you want it. But this is the amazing bag that the amazing team sent me, and I am so excited to get this thing packed and put it to use. But I need to go take care of my wild children because they are not wanting to go to bed. So I will see you guys in the next video.